Style Trails. I hope you guys are doing well. It's me, Shrija. So today is the first episode of Frank's Outfit Recreation series. So this is the series that I'm going to be doing all along March since it is my birthday month and I wanted to do something special. So I am going to be dressing up as all of the Friends characters, including the boys as well. So for the girls, I have shortlisted 5 looks per character, and for the guys, I have shortlisted only 2 because there was not much to play with. So today I'm going to be dressing up as Rachel Green, and I absolutely love Rachel. Like, I can connect with her on a personal level. So it was not that difficult for me dressing up as Rachel because I almost had everything and it was like a piece of cake. So without any further ado, let's get started. This first outfit is super chic and looks adorable. I've paired a plain white top with a pink shirt and bootcut jeans. This is the perfect casual look for everyday outing. This second outfit is the perfect and effortless airport look, which is so easy to achieve. I've paired a plain black top with a long waterfall olive green jacket and bootcut jeans. Clearly, Rachel aced the airport look even before airport looks were a thing. This third outfit is very old school and looks very pretty. I've paired a plaid skirt with a plain high neck white top. I clearly didn't have a full sleeves white top, so I modified the outfit a bit. Also, the skirt, you can find the exact Rachel skirt on Shein. I'll leave the link to it in the description box. I just wore this one because I had it and it is like really old. The fourth outfit is the most cutest and the most perfect vacation outfit. I've paired the simple plain shorts dungaree with a black and white striped camisole and white sneakers. This is the most fun look and it is super comfy. The last outfit is a classic. I'm wearing a black dress with a de-stressed sleeveless denim jacket and black flats. This is a very simple yet chic outfit which can help in those I don't have anything to wear situations. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I personally love filming this video because Rachel is someone that I connect with on a personal level, be it with her style or her personality as well. So if you liked it, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you liked what you saw. Also comment down below telling me which is your favorite Friends character and which of these outfits was your favorite and which of these would you recreate. And if you recreate any of these outfits, then do send me pictures on my social media because I would love to see them. All social media links are down in the description box and I will see you all in my next video.